This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're on the same Wi-Fi and that you have router admin access. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, reconnect the client. Forget the network, then rejoin so the OS requests fresh DHCP info. Make sure you have 2 public DNS addresses typed somewhere. You'll need them in the next step. Do this now because a clean client state eliminates local caching or misconfiguration before we touch router and DNS settings. Now change the DNS where it matters. On the device first, enter 1, 1, 1, 1 then 8, 8, 8, 8 as preferred and alternate while keeping DHCP for addresses. Once set, flush and renew the network stack, Windows commands or Mac OS MDNS refresh to clear caches. Then log into the router and set the LAN/DHCP DNS to the same public servers or enable DHCP. Finish by verifying resolution. Use ping and enslookup or dig to query names and confirm the server responds with addresses. If you still see timeouts, isolate the problem by connecting the device to a mobile hotspot. If DNS works there, the router or ISP is at fault. If it's the router, update firmware or factory reset as a last resort. Make sure to try a manual static IP with the public DNS to bypass DHCP problems. That often proves whether DHCP is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.